Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog, The Kids. What are you doing? He's got him a new house. He enjoys it in there, huh?
Yeah.
And yours. What you doing, big boy? What are you thinking? He's not going to leave your side, is he? You probably don't even need a leash with him. I bet
he walks really well on a leash. Hers does not.
Yeah.
He was just playing before you come out.
Yeah?
He was running and jumping and...
Really?
Yeah.
He was enjoying himself, huh?
Yeah.
Now he's got 3 dogs he's
No, he's not.
not sure about.
Okay. You're okay. You're okay. Yes, you are. You're all right.
Pocky just wants to play with him. Pocky just wants to play, huh? Mama just wants to see him, huh?
He stood up on his hind legs yesterday to get a treat.
Did he really?
Uh-huh. Totally up.
Wow. He's coming out to see what's going on.
This is where I was standing when he was playing.
Yeah.
He was running around back and forth.
Yeah. Well, not interested when the dogs are out, I guess.
No.
Yeah.
Can't get him to play.
Yep.
Not now.
No one's coming out.
You're okay.
Come back in. Huh. No, I'm not getting any playful today. You got the dogs in the way. Alright. We had this old baby day bed here.
Toddler bed.
Toddler bed kicking around the house for years, and I just cut it down the other day to make it a little shorter. She wants to put it in there in the yard with the goats, and we'll see what it winds up doing there. Give them something to climb on. What you doing, boys?
Oh.
Doing, boys? What you doing, bud? Hey. What you doing? What are you doing?
Come see it. Come on.
Oh yeah, you're right up there. Got him a day bed.
It's time for a place to lay down. With your feet.
He's off the ground. That works.
Well, he tried to lay on the picnic table, but he's too big for the
He
picnic
falls
table.
off.
This they can both lay on.
Yeah, no good. Yeah. And they're out of the grass, so.
And even if I throw a little straw on it,
Yeah.
I'm thinking I'm going to weed whack in here.
Okay.
So they don't do anything with.
Yeah.
And even if they eat it,
Yeah.
it's still been weed whacked.
Yeah.
So it's still food. It's just drying now.
It'll dry. It'll go right back up and weed.
But I got to get the battery because I killed the battery.
Okay.
Why? You're okay. Come in. Oh, quit it. Come in. You're a big baby. You're not as big a baby as he is, though. They don't seem bothered by Mama.
Oh, he's looking at the cat now.
Well, I know, but
so what's that
bothered by
thing?
Mama, because Mama was in there with me yesterday when I was cleaning out the cage,
Yeah.
and they didn't really have a fit.
Okay.
They walked around with her in there.
Where, in there?
Yeah.
Oh, in there.
Yeah.
She was
Like-
in her. She was in the in her cage.
If you give me Mama, I don't think they're with her. See, he's not as bothered by her.
I guess not.
Although he might be a little bit bothered by her. What are you doing? Don't you headbutt her. Don't you headbutt her. See, he doesn't seem as bothered by her as he is by Pooh.
Well,
He's really bothered by Pooh.
well, Pooh's a male.
But she's also little.
Well, Mama.
And she's not obnoxious.
You're obnoxious.
Pooh and Pocket.
You're obnoxious.
Bark at
You're
her.
obnoxious.
I don't think
You're obnoxious. Yeah, yes, you are. You scare him.
See, he's not even snorting at her.
Yeah, no. Huh.
But his ears are forward.
Yeah.
Which means he is nervous.
You're obnoxious.
He says.
Where's that? Right. I'll put that up on the end, see what it does. Oh!
Whoop.
Get that way. Oh, she's not following around. She's not following around. That's funny. You got your goat, Mama? Huh? You follow the goat around?
Look at him. Look at him.
I know, huh?
No, look at him. He's scared. Look at him cuddling me.
What are you doing?
He's scared.
Huh?
You're okay. You're okay, baby. You really
Mama got your goat.
are.
Mama got a goat. Mama got a goat. Go say hello to goat. Say hello to goat. Say hello to goat.
Put you down. You're okay. Just please don't butt her over across the fence. Because I am kind of fond of her. Really, really fond of her, actually.
What do you think, Mama?
I don't want you hurting her.
What do you think, Mama? You want to say hello to goat?
Honey, look.
I said, oh, you got it.
Slide down. Go on.
You're checking it out. It's something. Another higher level
Well,
there.
that's why I got thinking maybe I'd let you put that in here, but I have to weed whack it down, and I have to look at where I can put it. because I still need it away from the edges of the fence. It still can't be something that they can get to the top of and then launch themselves over.
Oh, we know that.
And once I whack it down in here,
Yeah.
I'm going to have a better idea of what I can actually put in here.
Yeah.
Because
What
I
you doing,
wasn't
dude?
going to weed whack it.
What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Huh?
I was going to
What
let him
you
eat it.
What you doing? What you doing? Huh? What you doing?
But I don't really know how much of it they want to eat.
What? Polly, you're awful. Something, rather.
Molly, he will put you right into the fence.
No, I don't think so. I think
Pretty sure he would.
think he'll just run.
Because she's too obnoxious.
Well, then she won't. I mean, he'll just settle her down. So.
But I don't know if he'd actually hurt her. I don't know what kind of strength he has behind that little head of his.
Well, I don't think she'll let him do it anyway. But
He's fast, dude.
who?
Paul.
Well, I'm sure we both are. They gotta be fast, huh? They gotta be fast. What you doing? What you doing?
I'm telling ya, it's a mistake.
Well, she's got to get her curiosity.
Come on, Pac.
Polly, come on, baby.
Come on, Polly.
Come on, babe. Polly, come on.
Come on, Polly.
Polly, come on. Come on, Polly. Come on.
Chicken shit.
I know, now you know and all that. Come on.
You're brave from the other side of the fence? Come on, Polly.
What, Polly? What, now? Yeah, now you're in here with them. Yeah, now you want to be in here.
I was really scared.
Now you want to be in here. Hey.
Come on, Paul. Paul, come on, baby.
Pose a mama.
I know, Pooh, right? You're the only persona non grata out there, aren't you?
There you go, Polly.
Come on, Paul.
She's really not even.
Come on, Paul.
Yeah, she just wants attention. She ain't really good. She ain't really even interested in the goat. Come on, Mama.
Come on, Paul.
Yeah, I guess you know. Okay.
Oh, crap. Oh, darn. Oh, darn.
Oh, don't what?
3 times. I tried it.
What are you doing?
Come on, Paul.
You're behind you. What? What?
Come on, Paul.
What you doing, bud? What are you doing? Uh-uh.
Didn't know there was a dog there.
Since I'm getting up there too. What you doing, boys? What you doing, boys? Huh? Life with livestock. Life with livestock. Life with livestock.
Tell him.
Really, huh?
What? You're okay.
Alright, we're gonna close the segment down. Okay. There we go. 20 minutes with the boys.